My name is Marie Weaver. I'm going into my third year here at UC, and I just finished my first co-op with Bayer Becker. So the thing that I did daily that I enjoyed the most was probably working on multiple projects and then getting direct feedback from the engineers that reviewed them, because I felt like I could actually really work on my technical skills and all of my engineering skills from a design standpoint. Something that surprised me when I started working at Bayer Becker was how much voice I had in the company and how much I actually got to do. I've heard from other people that have co-ops at different companies that what they do is they get coffee and they do prints and everything, so I was expecting that, but when I got there, first day they had me doing stuff and I was learning all these different things hands-on. It wasn't like I was just reading it. I feel like one of the Bayer Becker core values that I embodied while I was at my co-op was probably continuous improvement, because I always got feedback on my work and I could actually improve my skills as an engineer, and I could also help improve the work that we did at Bayer Becker. A lot of the skills I developed with Bayer Becker were some of the ones I wasn't actually expecting. So I learned a lot of communication skills because I had to learn how to communicate my questions really clearly so that they knew exactly what I was asking, and so I could get a direct answer really quickly. I learned a lot of professionalism by talking to the other older engineers and learning all this different stuff from them, and I learned how they carry themselves and how I should carry myself just to kind of be like they are and kind of function in the environment the way they do. I also learned a lot about Civil 3D stuff that I was expecting, but I learned a lot more than I thought I was going to, but it was all really interesting stuff to me, so it wasn't like I was in a class, it was more like I was learning what I wanted to learn. I wasn't expecting such a social environment all the time and people just talking all throughout the day. It's just such a welcoming, collaborative environment.